what I need to do here, but I guess I just snapped it.
Dixie, what is that?
Dixie, what is that? Like, I don't know.
Get it.
No, don't get it.
Get it, Dixie, get it.
Brian,
Get it.
I already found her once in the tree today. I don't want to find her anymore.
Get it.
Brian, don't encourage her. She's wondering what it is. Oh, Brian.
Get it.
Kyle.
Here it comes.
Now, if she tears up my... Oh, she's going to tear up my...
Get it. Get it.
She's going to tear up my tree skirt, and then I'm going to tear you up.
Get it. Get that train, Dixie. Get it. Get that train. Get it. It's passing you by. Oh, you cat.
You want some coffee?
Scaredy cat.
Kyle, you want some coffee?
Yeah. Get that train.
Bri.
Yeah.
Get him.
Yeah, sure. That's great. Thank you. Thank you, honey. You're the best.